Welcome to MENA MedTech Insights. A significant development has emerged from the United Arab Emirates last week that could reshape market entry strategy for the entire Gulf region. The UAE's Ministry of Health and Prevention, or MOHAP, has quietly launched a new pilot program being referred to as the Green Channel. This initiative is designed to fast-track the registration of medical devices that have already secured approval from the Saudi Food and Drug Authority, the SFDA. On the surface, this presents a monumental opportunity. It suggests a streamlined 2-for-1 market access pathway in the GCC's two largest economies. For medtech firms, this could mean slashing registration timelines, reducing redundant paperwork, and accelerating revenue generation. However, the devil is in the details, and this is where insider knowledge becomes critical. The Green Channel is not a simple rubber stamp. To qualify, companies must submit a specialized GCC Harmonization Dossier to MOHAP. This is not the same file you submitted to the SFDA. It requires that all aspects of the product, from labeling to instructions for use, are already compliant with the specific requirements of both the UAE and Saudi Arabia from the very beginning. For example, your product's official labeling must include addresses for both the Saudi and UAE authorized representatives. Your post-market surveillance plan must also be unified, outlining a clear process for reporting incidents to both MOHAP and the SFDA simultaneously using a shared data format. Let's consider a real-world scenario. A German diagnostics company recently spent 18 months achieving SFDA approval for their innovative cancer screening IVD. They heard about the Green Channel and immediately submitted their SFDA approval letter and technical file to MOHAP, expecting a quick 60-day review. They were rejected. The reason was their instructions for use were printed for the Saudi market only, and their quality management system had no provisions for joint post-market vigilance between the two countries. They now face a 6-month delay to overhaul their documentation and labeling, a costly setback that a proactive unified strategy could have avoided. This move by the UAE signals a major shift towards a more integrated GCC market, but it also means that your regulatory strategy can no longer be country by country. It must be regional from day one. Navigating these evolving multi-market regulatory pathways requires deep on-the-ground expertise. If you are looking to optimize your market access strategy for the MENA region, you can email or visit Chen-Global.